She's in a relationship with a great guy, and these are all things that I want to aspire to.
You need help with that?
I need a lot of help with that.
Excuse me.
Oh, really?
No eating that. That's dirty. It's dirty. Right here. I cleaned this for you.
Everyone. They want a relationship and a successful career and to find somebody to love them, and they don't want to be lonely, and they want to have nice shoes. You know,
And a good apartment.
and a good apartment. Yes,
Like Sex
throw
and the
that
City.
in. No, but really, I think this is speaking for a lot of people. So I would wonder what your advice would be to her.
I mean, I think it's best to talk about before this. You have to love yourself. Even through